Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Closing Comments here on March 26th. Let's take a look at our charts. First on the board, we got the June 25 live cattle. Today we saw an inside day with price trading inside the prior day's range. We did see the low put in around 50% of the prior day's range. That's a good area to find support if this market's going to rally from here. We do see equal highs coming in around 203.45 here. Drawing a hard line with a big high concentration of volume here in this area between 202 and 203.5. We'd expect to see if this level is to give. We'd expect to see some upside, and if it can get above 203.45 and then above 205, I would anticipate this market to see a little upside here going forward. I was expecting more of a pullback. We didn't quite make it to the 20-day average. We still could see that happen. However, at the moment, looks like we're setting up for a little pop here above 203 and 203.45. So potential upside here. However, I still would like to see a deeper pullback, but given the strength of this market, we might not get there. Same story over here in the feeders. We did see price get close to the 20-day average. Similar story though, price staying inside and even above the prior day's range. Nice tight action showing prices tightening up as it prepares for another leg higher. This is another market I'd like to see a little bit deeper pullback, but whether or not we get it, we will see. If we get bids above today and our prior day highs, expect the bulls to push this thing higher once again. Today in the corn futures, we did see a breakdown here with price pushing below this 456 level, which was a key level dating back to last week. It did give out and push us right down here close to 450. I would expect the bears to keep grinding lower here, as it looks like we are in the start of another leg lower. So expect the bears to keep pushing to the downside. Next target is going to be down here around this prior low of 442.5. Today we saw crude oil push back up above the 50-day average. We did see it come and test the 70 mark, and we kind of danced around in this area. Want to see how price acts in this area. Expect to see resistance kind of step in here, but the bulls are kind of making a nice move here, so don't be short unless we start taking out some of these prior day lows. The bulls are in control above our pivot here at 68.65. I just want to wait and see how price acts here at 70. Today in the equity markets, we saw a little bit of a sell-off. We saw a nice tight range day following Monday's follow-through day. Today we saw price break down that prior day's low and continue lower. This could be the start of the next leg. I would expect to see support anywhere down here to 56.50 until we get below this 56.51. That's going to be a key level to hold. If we get below that, I could see new lows coming. So the bulls are going to have a fight on their hands here as it trades in this area. So could see some volatility. We do have jobs numbers tomorrow coming out. Could see a little bit more volatility, and we want to make sure this prior day or this follow through day low holds, as well as this 56.50 area if we want to see any continued upside. But at the moment, I would expect the bears to put up a fight here and try pushing lower. Same story across all the indexes. The Nasdaq was definitely the weakest today, losing the most ground and getting back below the 200-day average, while the Dow did engulf the prior day's candle and a test of the 50-day average. So this looks like a potential reversal, and the bears could be taking control here. However, the Dow has remained the strongest over this week. That's all we got for today. Have a good night, everyone.